Okay, open up your favorite search engine. I've chosen Google, and you're going to type in Song Maker. You're going to press enter, and you should be looking for the one that says Music Lab, Chrome Experiments, Chrome Music Lab, and you're going to click on that, and it should, yes, you should see that, and we're ready to go. So this program is very simple. If you want to start making any sounds, you can just click anywhere on this grid. Just like that. And if you want to hear what that sounds like, you go down to this play button and you just click play. So that's easy. The next thing is this tempo right down here, and that's the speed of the music. If you want it to be slower, you can slide it to the left. If you want it to be faster, you can slide it to the right. So let's try that. Okay, so that was pretty fast. We'll slow it down. And it can even be slower. We're going to put it in the middle, and I'm actually going to erase that. And I'm going to try to make the song that you saw at the beginning of the video. So I believe that's how it goes. Let's give it a listen. Okay, it's a little fast, so I'm going to slide this back. Let's try again. Okay, I think I like that a little bit. Let's try again. I'm okay with it. And then the next part I think goes like this. Let's listen. Sounds good. A little higher. I think that's it. Let's give that a listen. That sounds good. I'm going to give you guys and girls a quick tip. If you go up to this button here with all of the arrows, if you click on that, I believe that allows you to scoot forward so you don't have to click play each time from the very beginning. So if I wanted to just start here, I think I can press play. No, I can't. Well, oh well. Let's go to this next part. I thought that was going to be cool. Anyhow, we have the bum, 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 and then I think that's how that part goes. Let's take a listen. Nice, it sounds good. Now this is kind of a fun part. Down at the bottom where it says marimba, I can click that and it will change the instrument. So I think there's like 4 or 5 instruments. I'm going to press play and I'm just going to switch the instruments as the song plays. Alright, so you heard all of the instruments. Now there's a fun part too at the bottom. You can add your own drum beats down here. So right now, just like what we did, there are different drum sounds that you can use. We're going to use the electronic ones, and the bottom is a kick drum or a bass drum. So you can put your patterns in just typing it in, and the top is a snare drum. Let's see what that sounds like. Okay, I'm gonna put it over here, and let's see what that sounds like. Okay, I think we're on the right path with that drum beat. Let's listen again. Okay, I don't think this is exactly the beat that I used in the first video, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you that you can click through this button on the bottom. I'm just going to click play, and you can hear some different types of sounds. So let's try that. Okay, so those are all the different types of sounds for percussion. I like the electronic one. And if you can do some different things. If you want it to sound faster, obviously you can go down to the tempo bar, you can slide it over, you can make it slower. So just by sliding that tempo bar back and forth, the song sounds different. It has a different feel. The rhythm's different. So that's a lot of fun. The last thing I want to talk to you about is saving your song. Now, I showed you how to make a song, but I would love to hear your own creation. Make something up. Just do anything. And what you're going to do after you do it is you're going to come down here to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to click save. So you click save, and then it's going to give you a link, just like it's giving me right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click copy link. Okay? So I clicked it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an assignment to Schoology, and then what you can do is I'm going to show you right now. You would paste that assignment by pressing Control V, just like this. I'm going to press Control V, and there's my link. You can also right click and then select paste, and that will put it there as well. Now when I press enter on this, it's going to take me exactly to the song that I just did. So when you create your song at home, I'll be able to look at it and see what you've done from home. So let's see if this works like I think it does. So I'm clicking enter. That looks like my song. Let's see. I'll have to click back. Let me click the X. Okay. It's the same thing. It's the same song. So if you want to share your song with me, you have to click save in the right hand corner, copy the link, and then post the link. So that's how that's going to work. I hope you guys have a lot of fun, and girls, making your songs, and I look forward to hearing them.